You know that weird moment when you sit down to do something important and suddenly your brain becomes a professional escape artist? One second you are ready to work, and the next second your Red Panda brain is like, maybe we should reorganize this one bamboo leaf first. Not the work, not the goal, just the leaf. And that is the strange truth we are talking about today. Why your Red Panda brain hates hard work, why it keeps running toward the easiest bamboo in the forest, and how to train it to actually climb the mountain without acting like every task is a survival mission. In this video, we will break down the real psychology behind this, and I will show you how to fix it without turning your life into a boring productivity lecture. Let's be honest, hard work sounds beautiful in motivational quotes. It looks amazing in videos. It makes people clap at the end of movies. But in real life, hard work often feels like your Red Panda brain was asked to carry a full bamboo basket uphill while it is still half asleep and emotionally unavailable. That is why so many people delay work, even when they genuinely want a better life. It's not always laziness. Sometimes it's just the brain being dramatic. Your Red Panda brain sees hard work and thinks, that branch looks slippery, that mountain looks cold, that bamboo snack nearby looks safe. So instead of starting, you scroll, you snack, you overthink, you clean random things. You suddenly remember an old message from 2022. Very productive, of course. The funny part is that the brain often prefers comfort even when comfort is making their life smaller. So you stay in the cozy tree, avoiding the climb, and then later you feel guilty, stressed, and confused about why nothing is changing. That's the trap. Hard work is not just physically difficult. To the brain, it can feel emotionally expensive. Here's the science without making it feel like a school lecture. Your brain is built to save energy. It loves shortcuts. It loves predictability. It loves anything that gives reward without much effort. That is why easy rewards feel so powerful. Your phone, snacks, scrolling, gossip, random tabs, all of them are like tiny glowing bamboo pieces saying, "Come here, little Red Panda, this is safer than building your future." One big reason is dopamine. People think dopamine is just pleasure, but it's more like the brain's go-get-that chemical. It spikes when something feels exciting, new, or rewarding. Hard work usually does not give instant reward. It gives delayed reward, and delayed reward is much less interesting to a brain that wants snack now, result now, comfort now. There's also something called effort avoidance. The brain automatically weighs effort against reward. If a task feels big, unclear, or emotionally heavy, your brain marks it as expensive. It's like your Red Panda brain opens a menu, sees hard work, and the price is stress, uncertainty, and possible failure. Then it quietly closes the menu and walks to the free bamboo section. Not because it's stupid, because it's lazy in a survival-based way. But the deeper problem is not just that hard work feels hard, it's that your brain starts linking hard work with identity. If you have avoided difficult things for a long time, your Red Panda brain begins to believe, maybe we're just not that kind of panda. And that thought is dangerous, because once the brain starts protecting your identity, it will defend your comfort like it's guarding the last warm tree in the forest. That is why people can sometimes work incredibly hard for a deadline, but struggle to build habits consistently. A deadline is a predator in the distance. It creates urgency. But daily hard work has no dramatic tiger in the bushes, so the brain relaxes and says, we can do that tomorrow. Then tomorrow becomes next week becomes next month, and suddenly your dream is still sitting on the same branch waiting for a panda who never climbed. The real damage is not just lost productivity, it's self-trust. Every time you promise yourself you will start and then don't start, your brain notices. It starts trusting your words less. That's when motivation feels weak, discipline feels fake, and even simple tasks start to feel heavy. Your Red Panda brain is not broken, it's just trained to choose the easiest bamboo every single time. So, how do we fix this without becoming a robotic productivity monk? 3 simple steps. 1. Make the first step so small it feels silly. Your brain doesn't panic at tiny steps, it panics at huge, vague ones. So don't say, I will work on my project for 3 hours. Say, I will open the file. Say, I will write 1 sentence. Say, I will work for 5 minutes. That's enough to break the fear wall. Once the Red Panda brain starts moving, it usually doesn't want to stop. The hardest part is the first branch. 2. Remove the easy bamboo before you start. Don't rely on willpower like it's magic. If your phone is next to you, your brain will negotiate. If random tabs are open, your brain will wander. If snacks, notifications, and entertainment are surrounding you, your Red Panda brain will keep choosing the nearest reward. So make hard work easier by making distractions less available. Put the phone away, close extra tabs, clear the desk. Create a little mountain path with fewer shiny objects on the side. 3. Reward effort, not just results. This is a big one. Your brain needs to learn that hard work itself is safe and rewarding. After a focused work session, give yourself something small and clean. A tea break, a walk, music, stretching, a short rest. Not because you need to bribe yourself forever, but because you're teaching your Red Panda brain that climbing the tree doesn't end in disaster. It ends in a reward. That changes the emotional memory of work. And here's the secret bonus move. Start at the same time every day. Not because time is magical, but because the brain loves patterns. When work happens at the same time, it becomes less of a debate and more of a ritual. Your Red Panda brain stops asking, "Do I feel like it?" and starts saying, "Oh, this is what we do now." And this is where things get interesting. When your brain stops treating hard work like danger, everything changes. You stop needing mood to begin. You stop waiting for perfect motivation. You stop living inside the cozy tree while your life happens somewhere else. Instead, you start building real momentum. And momentum is powerful. It's one of the strongest feelings in the world. One small win turns into another. One 5-minute start becomes a full session. One focused day becomes a better week. Your Red Panda brain begins to trust itself again. Not because it became fearless, but because it learned that discomfort is not the enemy. It's just part of the climb. So the next time your Red Panda brain tries to drag you back to the easiest bamboo, remember this: you don't need a perfect mood. You don't need a magical burst of motivation. You just need one small step, one cleaner environment, and one honest decision to stop treating hard work like a predator. If this video helped you understand your brain a little better, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and join the membership for more Red Panda Mind videos that make psychology simple, funny, and actually useful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.